Basically, I'm going to show you what I'm getting up to this week, and we're going to try not to have a mental breakdown together. Hello my lovelies, hope that you're all doing well. I'm sitting over on the floor with Winter, and Winter is sleeping on Philip's sweatpants, so we're having a very cozy vibe over here. I wanted to check in with a little bit of a vlog today. I am desperately trying to get myself back on track with YouTube because we went through a really good phase where things were super consistent over here and blah blah blah, and I just kind of fell out of the rhythm of YouTube, and I'm really trying to get back into it. So I'm really aiming for, once again, videos on Wednesdays. Who knows what those videos will be, whatever kind of comes up. Vlogs on Sundays, and I'm gonna start posting some like little TikTok style videos, like shorts, on YouTube as well. So hopefully there's gonna be a lot more activity over here for you guys slash for me, because honestly I use you guys as therapy, so sorry about it. So yeah, today is Saturday. We just got back from town. Look how floppy my bun is. We got back from town about 30 minutes or so ago. I just filmed a little like unboxing video with everything that I bought and some PR packages that I just picked up from the post room. I have a few like chores to get through today. Tomorrow I'm going to be shooting a lot, and then this week is going to be a crazy week. There is a lot going on. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. I have a medical appointment that I may or may not tell you about. We'll see. I haven't decided yet. Probably it's going to depend how the appointment goes. I'm fine. Just, it's a mental health appointment. Life's rough. So that is going to be on Thursday. Philip, did you just put a tea light underneath your plant?
Boost it.
To what?
To boost it.
To boost it, to set it on fire. Ta-da! Woo, okay. I think sometimes people think I make you up.
My existence.
Yeah.
I exist.
I don't remember what I was saying. Oh yeah, I have a appointment. I will probably tell you all how it goes after the appointment, when I've collected my thoughts now a bit more. We have a huge launch at work that has everybody very stressed. And then next weekend, my friend's mom is going back to Colombia after being here for a while, so we're gonna do something fun to distract her. And then on Sunday I have a laser appointment, and I'm gonna be out shooting with the lovely Freya, my friend, who you guys might know from Instagram. Her Instagram is Freya Dudding, and she is a angel on earth, so you guys should check her out. Basically, I'm gonna show you what I'm getting up to this week, and we're going to try not to have a mental breakdown together. And that's gonna be that. In a minute I'm gonna go put away some of the things that I just bought. I'm gonna, I think, organize the bathroom cupboard because it is a fucking mess. And like I have so much stuff that I'm saving for, will I use it one day, will I use it on one day. It's ridiculous. So I'm gonna get rid of a lot of that stuff. And then this morning before we went shopping, I was in the middle of taking some pictures to put some things on Vinted. I'm gonna finish off some Vinted listings. I'm gonna put my Vinted link in the description too if you guys want to check that out. I'm gonna go do some useful shit. Look how cozy it is in here. Hello. Oh my gosh, it has been a few days. I don't even know when I last filmed anything for this. I don't think that I filmed, where has Philip put my trainers? I don't think that I even filmed on Sunday, because what even happened on Sunday? Oh, I spent like all of Sunday filming, and just generally like I was having a really crappy weekend, just feeling like awful. So yeah, didn't really film at the weekend, didn't do much except film reels on Sunday, and obviously I can't remember where I left the vlog, to be honest. I think that, so on Saturday we went shopping and I tried to film some bits for the vlog, but I totally forgot. And then I came back and I filmed like a bit of a haul of everything that I picked up. So I think after that I filmed a little bit. And then Monday was like just usual work. And then manic. Yesterday was work, then home. This is Winter Boo Boo. Hi, Boo. Go, baby. Now it's Wednesday, and yeah, just starting to like kind of remember this vlog. Just got back from work, filmed a quick YouTube video, so very hectic all around. I also bought a new handbag the other day. This is bent still. I bought this on Charles & Keith. Well, I bought this on Vinted, but it's from Charles & Keith. And I really love Charles & Keith. I bought one of their handbags late 2021, I think. And I loved it so much. It's the only handbag I have now, except one that my friend bought for me that's more of like a summer bag, like a beachy kind of bag. So I bought this one because my other one is black, so it's very much one that kind of... Hi!
Still filming?
Well, I was waiting for you, so I decided to film some vlog. My black one very much, you know, goes with many outfits, but if I have like a lighter outfit, sometimes I want something a little bit different. So I bought this brown one on Vinted. It's basically in perfect condition. It's absolutely stunning. It's a little bit smaller than I expected, but I never asked her the dimensions, so that's my fault. It has this little red pouch in it. We have the longer strap as well, but I think I like this as more of like a handbag like this. You know, I'll take the long strap off. And I just thought that was very like grown up and chic for very like autumnal outfits. Like, and I have one other purchase. It's been a like real like purchasey couple of weeks. We also bought this bin. It's like an electric bin. We had literally like a little one of those like little cup bins, pot bins before, and we were having to empty it like every 2 days. So we got that one, and then I'm very excited about, and that's how you know you're officially a grown-up, when you're really excited about bins, apparently. We're gonna go walk Winter now, because Philip and Winter are going to murder me if I make them wait any longer. Hello, my loves. We're currently out for a walk. It's Thursday now. I think I forgot to film again last night with Philip and Winter. We're on our daily coffee run. We're trying to do 10,000 steps a day. By we, I mean I, and dragging Philip along. In addition to like daily workouts, because my fitness is so bad since surgery. I feel like it's very like tense and unfit. So we're trying to get some extra exercise in. I had my medical appointment this afternoon that I mentioned, I think, earlier in the week that I was having that day. It was like very exciting and emotional. I'll probably make like a whole video about that, so I'm not gonna talk about it right now, but there's nothing to worry about. But yeah, we're out for coffee now because I'm fully addicted, and we're heading back to our place now. Actually, we've been walking for about 25 minutes, and our friend is coming over with her mom, and we're gonna have a fajita tonight and make margaritas, so that's very exciting. And then what's happening this weekend? Tomorrow night we're having a date night, and then Saturday I have like a PR event, and we're gonna hang out with my friend a bit, maybe book a holiday because I'm in need of some winter sun. And then Sunday, shooting with Freya. So lots of exciting things, but I feel like every thing's happening at the end of the week this week, which is frustrating. Philip, poor Philip, is just there like entertaining himself. So I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Wow.
And I like the ones behind us too.
Which one are you gonna buy? This one.
Oh, I like that one.
Well, we're gonna buy that one like next month. We just sat down in this park to decide which house we're gonna buy. Probably not just a flat, right? I think we should take the whole building. Personally, I prefer that one.
Which one?
That one. Or this one's quite cute.
That one's a restaurant.
Yeah, we'll take that too. And I just got fully like oiled up. Like serum in hair, all the oils, everything, face, neck, blah blah. Philip is blocking the shower right now because long hair problems. Like if you have long hair, you know, it blocks the shower drain all the time. So Philip's doing that. And I just wanted to kind of, come on, let's go talk about this in the bedroom while Philip's doing his thing. Because I don't know, I'm just feeling very like emotional today. Like I mentioned earlier, I had this very like life-changing, honestly, appointment today. Spent this is my like bed spray. I always spray this on my pillows before bed. It's from Temple Spa, and it's called Quietude Chill Out and Sleep Well Mist. And I got this in a gift set a few years ago. I love it. I recently like rediscovered it in one of my boxes somewhere, and I love it. I've been sleeping with this satin pillow. I put it like a little bit down in the stack because it doesn't match the rest of the bed. But I've been sleeping with that. Let me get into bed and finish talking to you guys. Anyway, what I was saying is that I've been using that pillow because I got sent it last week, and I've been using it since the weekend. And it's actually, I just remembered I didn't put my watch on charge. What I was saying, what was I saying? I've been using that new pillow ever since I was saying that I've been using that new pillowcase ever since I got last week. And it's supposed to reduce your frizziness in your hair. Not seeing a difference yet, but it feels nice. So that's enough for me. I haven't washed my hair since using it. Because I try to wash my hair as little as possible, because when I wash it I like to then like blow dry it and straighten it and stuff, so I'm trying to minimize the heat damage and like the damage from washing it and stuff anyway. So yeah, anyway, I'm babbling. Bed now, we going to sleep now. I've got a new book tonight. I've got a bottle of water and a new book, 20th the Victim. Had it for ages. Like in my old apartment block there used to be this box where people donated books, and I picked it up because I thought it looked really good, but I haven't got around to reading it. So I'm really excited to start. I'll let you guys know how it goes. Yeah, I just wanted to, I guess, come on here. Like I can't remember how much I mentioned earlier, but there's some really exciting things going on at the moment work-wise. A few deals in the work that are like very exciting. I don't know how much I can say, but there's a few things, projects I'm really excited to work on. Things going on in my personal life that I'm super excited about, and like plans with friends coming up that are really exciting, and it just feels like life is good right now, and I love that for me.
Good morning. Currently on my way to go to my laser appointment very quickly before I meet my lovely friend Freya to shoot. I haven't vlogged in days because my camera battery was dead and I couldn't even charge it.
Hello, beauts. I have my jeans unfastened apparently. That's a great start, isn't it? So it's currently like Sunday evening. Just finishing off this vlog. Like editing the vlog, and realized that I never like finished it. So I thought I would fill you in on the rest of the week. I went out to shoot with Freya today, caught in the rain, so my hair is doing this. But yeah, what did you miss? So on Friday night, Philip and I went to play crazy golf, and then we went out and shared like a burger because we were starving, but we had pizza at home for dinner, so we were like, oh, we'll share a burger and then go home and eat pizza, which was fun. I just chewed off all my nails while I was editing, so I'm now like cutting them down so that they're not as weak. On Saturday we spent ages looking at trips. my friend and I have been looking at a trip to Cape Verde. We're looking at hopefully trying to get a little bit of time in Amsterdam next year for my birthday maybe. I'm hoping that Philip and I might be able to get a weekend in Paris later this year. So we spent a lot of time just kind of looking at trips and stuff. We did a little bit of shopping, and by shopping I mean like just walking around shops really. If we're going to be traveling a lot, we don't have time to be, or money, sorry, to be spending going all over the place. Spending on all sorts of stuff. But Philip bought a new plant pot, which is mainly what we went for, so that was a success still. Managed to get winter out and get lots of our steps in. And then when we came back, Philip made souvlaki, and then we had like a friend's marathon, so that was a really lovely evening. And yeah, it's been a really nice weekend. Today I went and shot with my friend Freya, like I mentioned, and got stuck in the rain. But we got some really great shots, so I'm really excited. I've spent the rest of the evening so far basically editing and getting everything ready so that I don't have to like edit and stuff throughout the week. I'm hoping between the pictures I now have pre-shot and the reels I have edited, I might not have to shoot for like a week or two now, which is great. I always end up shooting in between anyway, because I'll find something that I really want to shoot. But it's great to not have to, especially because I work like 8 till 4:30 Monday to Friday. It can be a lot if I need to try and like figure out a time to shoot in the week. And then obviously I don't want to work all week and then work again all weekend. So it's nice when I'm able to kind of like pre-shoot a lot of stuff. So yeah, it's been a really nice week really. Very excited for life again. I feel like I had a really like rough few weeks mental health wise, so it's nice to be kind of like coming out the other side of that a little bit, and like having joy in life. Oh my god, the thunder is so loud. Can you hear Winter now barking at it? Yeah, so then tomorrow we're gonna have the day off because it's the Queen's funeral tomorrow. So yeah, we're gonna have a chill night tonight. Don't have to like rush to bed too early. Probably we're gonna, Philip is making actually at the moment roast potatoes and tofu, which I love. And probably we'll watch some movies or something. I'm gonna fix up my nails. I have like a bit of an infection or something because I do my own nails, and apparently this is a sign of like you're not doing them well. So that's great. So I'm gonna be like searching what to do with that. And yeah, it's gonna be a pretty chill evening. I'm gonna end this vlog now because I'm definitely just babbling. You didn't need 6 more minutes of me talking about my week. Sorry this vlog was a bit all over the place and a bit pants. I'm kind of trying to get back into the routine of vlogging and back into the rhythm of it. And I've clearly forgotten how to do it, so hopefully next week's will be better. Thank you guys so much for putting up with me, and I can't wait to see you all next week. Bye.